Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a Python program that generates a strong and random password for you. First, we need to import the choice function from the random module. This function allows us to randomly select an element from a sequence. Next, we need to define the characters we want to use in our password. For this example, we will use numbers, lowercase letters. For uppercase letters, we will just use the uppercase method that can be used with strings to convert all the lowercase characters in a string to uppercase. And lastly, some special symbols. We combine the numbers, letters, and symbol strings into a single string called py using the plus operator. This will ensure that our password is strong and contains a mix of different character types. Now we can prompt the user for the desired length of the password. The int function is used to convert the user's input, which is initially a string, into an integer. We can then generate a random password of the desired length using the join function and a for loop. The join function is a method that concatenates a sequence of strings into a single string. In this case, it's used to concatenate the randomly selected characters into a single password string. The choice function is used to select a random character from the pos string in each iteration of the loop. The for loop is a loop that iterates _len times. Finally, we print the generated password to the console. And that's it. You now have a Python program that can generate a strong and random password for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next one.